long tail cast on is a method of casting on stitches using a long tail. So the first thing you need to do is figure out how long of a tail you need. Now this can take some estimating. For example, if I was going to cast on 10 stitches, I would say about 4 inches would be enough. For like 10 stitches would be less than 4 inches. So I'm going to take 3 to 4 times this length. So if I just wrap this 4 times like that, then I know that should be enough length for me to use. Now, this point is where we want to cast on. So we have our long tail over here, and then we want to cast on here. So what you want to do is wrap the yarn around your pinky like that, and behind your 3 fingers and around your thumb. And then you can secure the yarn between your pinky and your finger. And then grab your needle, and what you want to do is insert the needle in this hole here where your thumb is, and twist your hand and grab this yarn. You want to grab this yarn over here and bring it down through where your thumb is. And you can take that off and tighten that up. So now you've cast on 1 stitch. And you just continue doing that. So put your thumb, you go back down in with your thumb and pull this down. Now again, you go through where your thumb is and grab this yarn and pull it like that. And that's it. And you just continue casting on until you have the right amount of stitches. There. So now we have 10.